United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 194, Measures to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment. 1. States shall take, individually or jointly as appropriate, all measures consistent with this convention that are necessary to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from any source, using for this purpose the best practicable means at their disposal and in accordance with their capabilities, and they shall endeavour to harmonize their policies in this connection. 2. States shall take all measures necessary to ensure that activities under their jurisdiction or control are so conducted as not to cause damage by pollution to other states and their environment, and that pollution arising from incidents or activities under their jurisdiction or control does not spread beyond the areas where they exercise sovereign rights in accordance with this convention. 3. The measures taken pursuant to this part shall deal with all sources of pollution of the marine environment. These measures shall include, inter alia, those designed to minimize to the fullest possible extent a. The release of toxic, harmful or noxious substances, especially those which are persistent, from land-based sources, from or through the atmosphere, or by dumping. b. Pollution from vessels, in particular measures for preventing accidents and dealing with emergencies, ensuring the safety of operations at sea, preventing intentional and unintentional discharges, and regulating the design, construction, equipment, operation, and manning of vessels. c. Pollution from installations and devices used in exploration or exploitation of the natural resources of the seabed and subsoil, in particular measures for preventing accidents and dealing with emergencies, ensuring the safety of operations at sea, and regulating the design, construction, equipment, operation, and manning of such installations or devices. d. Pollution from other installations and devices operating in the marine environment, in particular measures for preventing accidents and dealing with emergencies, ensuring the safety of operations at sea, and regulating the design, construction, equipment, operation, and manning of such installations or devices. 4. In taking measures to prevent, reduce or control pollution of the marine environment, states shall refrain from unjustifiable interference with activities carried out by other states in the exercise of their rights, and in pursuance of their duties in conformity with this convention. 5. The measures taken in accordance with this part shall include those necessary to protect and preserve rare or fragile ecosystems, as well as the habitat of depleted, threatened or endangered species, and other forms of marine life.